Hello friends, welcome to Restart UPSC. So far we have completed 16 questions and we'll be solving the remaining questions in this video. Now let's start with the question. There is a numeric lock which has 3-digit pin. The pin contains digits 1 to 7. There is no repetition of digits. The digits in the pin from left to right are in decreasing order. Okay. Any 2 digits in the pin differ by at least 2. How many maximum attempts does one need to find out pin with certainty? What is telling? It's telling 3-digit pins, right? The 2 from 1 to 7 and no repetition, right? Decreasing order, and the numbers are differing by at least 2. No. Okay. Let's take the maximum value. That is 7. It is telling difference is at least 2, right? So I'll take 5 and 3, right? What is the other possibility? 7, 5, 2. Next, 7, 5, 1. Okay. Now I'll take 7. Next, what we have taken? Here we have taken 5, right? Now we'll take 4. So the difference must be at least 2. So it is 2. Now next, 7, 4, 1. Right? This is complete. Now 7, 3, 1. Only one possibility, 7, 3, 1. Because the difference between 3 and 1 is 2. And we can't take 0 because he is telling only from 1 to 7, right? Now this is also complete. So we have completed all the possible values which are starting with 7. Now let's take the next value. It is 6. So the difference must be 2, right? Next, 6, 4, 1. This is done. Next is 6, 3, 1. So this is done. The next number is 5, 3, 1. Right? We can't take 5, 2 because if we take 5, 2, the next number should be 0. Right? Only the values are, only we can take values 1 to 7. So only these many possibilities are there. How many numbers? 10 possibilities. Right? The answer is 10. Let's go to the next question. There are 8 equidistance points on circle. How many right angle triangles can be drawn using these points as vertices and taking diameter as one side of the triangle? See, in a circle, when we draw a diameter and we connect any points on the circle, definitely this will be a right angle triangle for sure. This is the property of the circle. Okay. So if we take AB as a diameter, right? If we take AB as a diameter, how many right angle triangles can be found? See, 1, this is one triangle, one right angle triangle, and this is one right angle triangle. Right? Again this one, 1, 2, 3. Right? If we take AB as a diameter, we are getting 6 right angle triangles. Right? 6 triangles. Now, see, how many diameters can be formed? See, even this is also a diameter. Right? Even this is also a diameter. Even this is also a diameter. That means there are 4 diameters. Right? And when we use one diameter, we are getting 6 right angle triangles. So, how many right angle triangles can be formed totally? 4 into 6, 24 triangles. Right? The answer is 24. Okay. Let's go to the next question. One non-zero digit, one vowel, and one consonant from English alphabet are to be used in forming passwords such that each password has to start with a vowel and end with a consonant. How many such passwords can be generated? 3-digit password is found. This is vowel. right? This is number, this is consonants. So we have to take one vowel, one number, one consonant. How many passwords can be formed? 5C1 into 9C1 into 21C1. That is 5 into 9 into 21. 945. Right? This is the answer. Okay. Let's go to the next question. A bill for 1840 is paid in denominations of 50, 20 and 10 notes. 50 notes in all are used. Okay. Consider the following statements. 25 notes of rupees 50 are used and remaining are in denomination of 20 and 10. 35 notes of 20 rupees are used and the remaining are in denominations 50 and 10. 20 notes of 10 rupees are used and the remaining are in denominations 50 and 20. Which of the following is not correct? Okay. Now let's see what is telling. Let's take first statement. It's telling 25 notes of 50 rupees. How much? 1250, right? So what is the remaining value? 1840 minus 1250. That is 590 rupees. Right? Now, what is it? We have to pay this much amount in denominations of 20 and 10. Let it be 20 into y plus 10 into z. I am taking 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees as x, y and z numbers. Okay, these many numbers. See, already here we have taken 50 rupees, right? So this remaining value should be equal to 590. That is 2y plus z is equals to 59 rupees. In the question, 50 notes are used totally. That means already we have used here 25 notes. What will be the remaining notes? That is equation number 1. The remaining notes will be y plus z is equals to 25. Right? This is equation number 2. Now by solving, what will you get? Let's subtract. So y is equals to 34. And what will be the z value? Z value will be minus 9. See, how can number of nodes be negative value? So statement 1 is wrong. No. Similarly, we'll solve for statement 2. What is telling? Y are 35. That means 20 rupee notes are 35 numbers. What is the remaining amount? 1140. Similarly, now what? This sum should be equal to 50 into x plus 10 into z, right? X plus z is equals to 114. Let this be equation number 3. And here already we have taken 35 rupee notes, right? That means x plus z should be equal to 15. Right? By solving, what we'll get? 4x is equals to 99. And number of notes cannot be decimal values. Right? We get 24.75. Right? This is not possible. This should be exactly natural number. So statement 2 is also incorrect. Now let's go to statement 3. What is telling? 20 10 notes are taken. That means z value is equals to 20. What will be the remaining amount? 1840 minus 20 into 10. That is 1640. This is equal to what? 50x plus 20y is equals to 1640. 5x plus 2y is equals to 164. Let this be equation number 5. Here already 20 notes are taken. That means x plus y is equals to 30. we'll multiply with 2. This will become 60, right? Now by solving, this can get cancelled. 3x is equals to 104, but this is not divisible by 3. So even this will also come in the decimal values, x value. That means statement 3 is also incorrect. Answer is 1, 2, 3. See, this is time consuming, right? Better you solve the easy questions in the beginning, then come to such type of questions. Okay, let's go to the next question. In a tournament of chess having 150 entrants, a player is eliminated whenever he loses a match. It is given that no match results is a tie or draw. How many matches are there in the entire tournament? See, this is a knockout tournament, right? So number of matches will be n minus 1. That means 150 minus 1, 149. This is the formula for the knockout matches. And for round robin method, this is the round robin method, that is which we follow in IPL. That means each and every team will play at least one match with the other team. Here, how many matches will be possible? NC2. Please remember these formulas. Okay. For knockout, it is n minus 1. Okay. The answer is 149 here. Please remember these formulas. Very simple formula. Please remember IPL here. Okay. In round robin method. Okay. Let's go to the next question. The digits 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows in such a way that each row contains 3 digits and the number formed in the second row is twice the number formed in the first row, and the number formed in the third row is thrice the number formed in the first row. Repetition of digits is not allowed. If only 3 of the 4 digits 2, 3, 7 and 9 are allowed to use in the first row, how many ways such combinations are possible to be arranged in a 3 rows? See, this is also consuming and there is no specific method, right? No specific method. So better solve easy questions in the beginning and later come to this type of questions. Now what we'll do, we have to solve this question in the conventional way only. What is telling? We are having 4 numbers, right? And these 4 numbers we have to place in the first row. Now let us find these values. Okay, and what is telling? This is 3 times of ABC. The maximum possible value, 3 digit values, 999, right? And this value should be 3 times of ABC, right? That means ABC can be 333. So here what we can take, ABC should be less than 333, right? Because if ABC is greater than 333, we'll get 4 digit numbers. Okay, so by using these conditions, we'll make the possible numbers. So what are the possible numbers? 237, right? This is one possible number. Next 239, this is one possible number. Next 273, this is one possible number. Next 279, this is one possible number. 293, right? Next 297. Okay, right? Now what is the other possible number? Next we are done with keeping 2 in the hundreds place. Now let's keep 3 in the hundreds place. What will be the number? And now we can't go beyond 333. So These are the possible numbers which you can put in the first row. Now see, now what is telling? The number in the second row is double the number in the first row. We got the numbers in the first row, right? All these numbers are numbers in the first row. Now let's multiply these numbers with 2. Okay, what will you get? You get 4, 7, 4, 6. These are repeating. No repetition is allowed, right? So this can't be the number. And next we'll multiply with 2. We get 7. And okay, here these are numbers are not repeating. Now let's take thrice this number, the third row. What will be? See, these numbers are repeating, so even this can't be the number to cancel out. Now the second row of this number, you get right. This is 2 times, and now we are taking 3 times. What will get? Right? See, nothing is repeating, right? So 273 is possible. No, let's go to 279. We'll multiply with 2. These two numbers are repeating, so this can't be the number. Next 293, 2 times. Okay, this is satisfying. And now we are taking through into 3. See, here 8 and 8 are repeating, so this can't be the number. And now we take 297 into 2. You get, look, these two are repeating, even this can't be the number. We are left with these numbers, right? Now let's take into 2 and into 3, 9, right? So yeah, this is satisfying. So 327 can be the number, right? Now this into 2, right? And this into 3, right? These two are repeating, so this can't be the number. So only 2 numbers are possible, right? This is the answer. Okay friends, this will be the last question for this video, and we have successfully completed permutation and combinations. And in the next video we'll be starting with probability questions. Alright, okay friends, let's meet in the next video. Thank you.